Have you ever wanted to make a mold, but the thought of calculating and weighing has always prevented you from getting started? If so, then we know exactly how you feel. There's nothing more annoying than spending perhaps hours calculating the amount of material required to find the material does not set or work the way it should. This can be due to an error in your calculation, and results in the frustration of not knowing how to fix the problem yourself. When faced with a calculation or weighing problem at home, most people jump online and spend hours hunting around on YouTube to try and find a solution. The big problem with this approach is that every mold method is different, with their own unique proportions and materials required. And if you can't find a video that relates to your exact situation, any advice you do find online is just useless. You end up feeling confused and overwhelmed by all the scientific jargon you just don't understand. Until today, the only way to fix those mold-making problems was to hire a qualified mold maker or waste materials experimenting. The difficulty with this option is that expert mold makers are hard to find, and even if you do manage to find one willing to help you out, you'll be looking at upwards of $100 per hour. This is simply out of the reach for most small business owners or home DIY entrepreneurs or hobbyists. This is why we are excited to be able to share a solution to this problem: Aldax Silicone Mold Putty. We have learned to appreciate when it is necessary to go the cutting edge of mold-making technology, in order to get the required results, and when a simpler solution more than meets your requirements. Aldax Silicone Mold Putty is proving a lifesaver in the cake decorating field. For one, in that a mold can be made in minutes, is food safe, and edible fondants can be cast with ease, to complete your project. This is just one area where a quick, easily made mold can be of value. Others are jewelry making, texture pads for craft projects, and many others. Here's just a taste of what you're about to discover. Extreme ease of use. No calculating, no weighing. Take a small amount of part A and mix it with a similar amount of part B and knead them together in your hands. When there are no color streaks in your mix, the silicone mold putty can be pressed over the object you wish to duplicate. 10 minutes later your mold is ready for casting. How easy was that? This simple mold making system will open up a whole new world of fun and adventure for you. Go to www.aldax.com.au for more information.